brothers. Welcome back to Beast Power, the channel where we push our limits, break barriers, and strive to become the best versions of ourselves. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of personal development, training our minds. Your mind is the ultimate weapon. And just like any muscle, it needs regular exercise to stay sharp and powerful. But before we jump into the 6 powerful ways to train our minds, I want to ask you something. How often do you find yourself struggling with negative thoughts, stress, or a lack of focus? If you're like most people, these challenges are all too familiar. Drop a comment below and let me know which mental hurdles you're battling right now. Let's support each other on this journey. All right, let's get interactive. I want you to think about a time when you faced a significant challenge. Maybe it was preparing for a big exam, pushing through a tough workout, or dealing with a personal setback. How did you feel during those moments? What was going through your mind? Share your story in the comments and let's learn from each other. Your experiences are powerful, and they remind us that we're not alone in our struggles. Now, let's transform those challenges into opportunities for growth. Here are 6 ways to train our minds and unlock our full potential. Number 1, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment. It helps reduce stress, improves focus, and enhances emotional regulation. If you've never tried mindfulness before, start with just a few minutes each day. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice your thoughts without judgment, and let them pass like clouds in the sky. This will give you peacefulness and help to control your aggressive mode. Brothers, you are incredible. You are already practicing mindfulness. For those who are new to it, don't worry if it feels challenging at first. It's a skill that gets easier with practice. Number 2, embrace challenges. Stepping out of your comfort zone and tackling new obstacles builds mental resilience. When you face adversity, your brain learns to handle stress more effectively. Think about a recent challenge you faced. How did you overcome? These memories are truly inspiring. Remember, every challenge you overcome strengthens your mind and prepares you for even greater achievements. 3, engage in continuous learning. Keep your brain sharp by constantly feeding it new information. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or watching educational videos, continuous learning stimulates your mind and keeps it active. Continuous learning is a lifelong journey, and there's always something new to discover. If you don't learn new things, your mind will be like garbage. You will be bored with your life and you feel like a dumb person. Number 4, practice positive affirmations. Repeating positive statements about yourself can rewire your brain to focus on your strengths and potential. This boosts your self-confidence and helps you overcome negative thinking. Try this. Every morning, look in the mirror and say 3 positive affirmations about yourself. It might feel awkward at first, but it gives you positive energy. These affirmations are powerful. Incorporating them into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your mindset and overall confidence. Number 5, cultivate gratitude. Regularly reflecting on what you're grateful for shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. This simple practice enhances your overall well-being and trains your brain to focus on the positive aspects of life. Every day, thank God you are doing well today. Gratitude is truly a game changer. It's heartwarming to see so many of you focusing on the good things in life. Keep it up. Number 6, Develop a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can improve with effort and perseverance. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and keep pushing forward. This mindset empowers you to achieve greater success in all areas of life. Brothers, remember, a growth mindset is all about learning and improving continuously. Training your mind is a powerful journey, and it's one that we're all on together. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and you'll see incredible changes in your. Congratulations for joining our family by hitting that subscribe button. Remember, brothers, your mind is your most powerful weapon. Train it well, and there's nothing you can't achieve. See you in the next video.